Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Sophie Hannah here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. So today I have a hair care video for you guys, which I know you're going to love, and it's super exciting because Faith in Nature have teamed up with me because they have launched a new hair mask which I'm going to try out today for you guys, and we're going to be talking about bleached hair, caring for bleached hair. And yeah, I mean, you guys send me so many questions daily about my hair and what products I use. So I'm really excited to try the Faith in Nature hair mask today because honestly, it looks amazing and I know you guys are going to love it. So it's not unknown that bleach damages your hair. And yeah, I mean, I know myself, it takes a lot of maintenance to look after bleach hair, but it's definitely worth it, especially being able to change it. Lots of different colours because it's one of my favourite things to do with my hair. But yeah, bleached hair, you really need to look after it because when you bleach your hair, the bleach basically strips your hair of all of the natural protective fibres and oils, and essentially that's kind of what causes the damage and leads to dryness, brittleness, prone to split ends and breakage. So yeah, when you have bleached hair, you really do have to take care of it. So I'm always doing a hair mask and really reading the ingredients and looking at the packaging and everything. When it comes to my hair, I want to know what I'm putting on my hair and how it's going to help my hair. So that's why I'm super excited to show you guys the latest hair mask collection from Faith in Nature, because the ingredients, oh, honestly, like I just love the whole concept of the ingredients and the product, and also the background and ethos of the brand as well. All of their products are made from naturally derived ingredients, which is amazing. And it means that all of their products are ethically sourced, they're vegan, and they are cruelty free, which I think every beauty brand needs to be right now. So it's amazing that they have covered all of those areas. Another thing I love about the brand as well is the price point. Now, when you're caring for bleached hair, I mean, if you're doing it at a salon, it's quite costly. So, you know, you want products that are going to really repair and maintain your bleached hair between salon visits, but you don't want to do that at a price. So I'm really happy and glad that Faith in Nature's products are super affordable. I think it's amazing being so affordable, but also being ethical and sustainable and vegan and cruelty free. Like they're ticking all the boxes, guys. Right. Let me show you their hair masks because honestly, I can't get over how amazing they smell. So there are 4 masks in the collection and I'm just going to quickly whiz through each one. So we've got this one here. Also, guys, I have to stop and talk about the packaging because it's so cute. I love it. It's so vibrant. So the hair mask. This one is Rose and Chamomile. And this one is great for normal to dry hair, and it's a restorative mask. So it's going to add moisture to your dry hair, and it's going to just add that kind of shine and softness. And yeah, this is the one that I'm going to be using today because this is going to do wonders on my hair, I think. But yeah, absolutely love the look of this one. And honestly, it smells divine. It smells divine. You can really smell the natural ingredients in these masks. Next up, we have their dragon fruit mask, which is basically a revitalizing mask for all hair types. It's super hydrating, and one thing I have to say, guys, is the packaging. So all of the packaging that Faith and Nature produce with all of their products is either plastic free and 100% compostable cardboard packaging, or it's sold in 100% recyclable packaging that's been produced from recycled materials. How amazing is that, guys? Like, they've thought about everything. Honestly, I love this brand. So yeah, then we've got the dragon fruit one. Let's smell this because oh my god, that smells unreal. Wow, that one, honestly, oh, it smells amazing. Okay, next up we have the coconut and shea mask. So this is hydrating and nourishing for dry hair. Organic coconut oil really nourishes your hair. It's a really good ingredient, especially for bleached hair. Let's smell this one. I love coconut. You can really smell the coconut in that one. Right, and then the last one in the range is Shea and Argan. So this one is deeply nourishing for dry to normal hair, and it's actually really, really great for curly or afro hair. So I really love that they've been really inclusive with this whole range, and there's a mask for different hair types and textures. And argan oil, again, is an amazing ingredient for dry, like bleached hair, because it's super, super hydrating. Let's give this one a whiff. Ooh. Oh, I like the smell of that one. I mean, they're all amazing, guys, and I cannot wait to try one. But before I do that, I need to wash my barnet. So I'm going to be grabbing the Faith in Nature Dragon Fruit Shampoo. And this is revitalizing for all hair types. Cannot wait to try this. And you just only need to shampoo your hair because the mask basically acts as a bit of a conditioner as well. And it's super, super intense mask. So yeah, you just need to shampoo and then pop a mask on. So I will be back in a sec. And also, guys, no SLS or parabens. Another good thumbs up from me with the brand even thinking about that as well. So yeah, I'll be back in a sec after I've washed my hair with their shampoo. I'm back. I've washed my hair with the Dragon Fruit shampoo, and oh my god, it smelt divine. So yeah, let's get my hair out and then let's get that mask on. So I've grabbed the Rose and Chamomile mask, and on the Faith in Nature website, it basically says that it harnesses the natural benefits of organic rosehip and chamomile essential oils for hair to bring balance to damaged hair, restoring it to its former glory. I'm sold. It's exactly what my hair needs. So let's get it on. Honestly, cannot get over the smell. Oh, right. So I'm just gonna grab this, rub it in my hands, and just lather it on. Oh, feels very creamy. So I'm just popping it on with my hands at the moment, but I do have a brush that I'm going to use in a minute, because brushing your hair through very, very gently or combing it through when you've got a mask on just means that you're covering your whole head and all of your hair strands. Honestly, I cannot get over the smell. It is unreal. Oh, it's divine. Just gonna brush through that mask now, making sure all of my hair is coated. Oh, I bet this sounds really nice, like ASMR on the mic. It's actually really relaxing. Anyone with bleached hair, I think you know you really need to take care of it and really maintain it. Literally as you would your skin. Like, you need to give as much attention to your hair as you do your skin, especially your scalp as well. But yeah, guys, it's all on, it's applied. Now, they advise you to leave it on for 3 to 20 minutes, depending on how kind of intense and conditioned you want your hair. So I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes because I always do the max of what hair masks say, especially for my hair, because obviously it's bleached. I'm putting heat on it nearly, well, every day. I put my hair through a lot with hair tutorials and stuff. So yeah, we're going to leave it on for 20 minutes and then I will wash it out and I'll be back to show you my hair. And honestly, I cannot wait to see how soft it is, and let's see if it's been restored. Guys, I'm back. Let's see what my hair is like. Just going to brush it through. Okay, well, it's super detangled. So easy to brush through. Feels soft, but also still smells amazing. Ooh, okay, very promising so far. Like, I can run my fingers through my hair so easily. Let's get this blow dried and see what it looks like dry. Guys, I think I've just found my new favourite hair mask, because look at how soft and shiny my hair is. Like, can we just appreciate this, guys? Wow. Oh my god, I'm actually so shocked. Like, my hair feels amazing, it looks amazing, it smells amazing. Oh my god. Can we just appreciate this before and after, guys? Like, look at my hair before. Like, it just was a bit dry, a bit brittle, it just was a bit everywhere. And now my hair is just, honestly, it literally does look restored. Like, I can't believe it. I can't stop running my fingers through it because it's so soft. Oh. Okay, I don't think I really realised I needed that hair mask. Guys, I'm sold. I'm so sold, and I will 100% be using that again because I cannot get over my hair. Also, I have to say as well, normally when I wash my hair, like when I've used other products, I get a lot of flyaways. Like, I have a lot of short bits that stick up, and I have to say, like, I've got a few at the back here, but my main area of concern's always been like around the front. But all of my like little flyaway bits at the front actually don't look that bad. I feel like they've been like tamed down, and like, I don't know, my hair just looks completely different to how it's normally looked like the past few months after washing my hair. Honestly, I'm so happy I tried this mask. Wow, guys, I'm sold. I'm going to style my hair and show you what it looks like styled. I think I'm going to do a little bit of a curl, and yeah, then we'll show you the finished look. But honestly, it's just this. The fact that I can do this with bleached hair and it just feels this amazing. Yeah, guys, you need to try the Faith in Nature hair mask collection. So just styled my hair, and honestly, it's just, I can't get over it. It's so soft, it's bouncy, it's shiny. Guys, I'm having a very good hair day today. I think you can tell. Yeah, highly recommend trying out Faith in Nature's products, especially their latest hair mask launch, because, yep, definitely going to be using that hair mask again on my hair because it's completely just changed it. It's just given it a new lease of life. So I have popped links below to all of the products from Faith in Nature's website. You can get the hair mask for $6.99, which is so affordable. And yeah, as I said before, like the ethos of the brand, the natural ingredients that they're using, they're vegan, cruelty free, the packaging sustainable, it's eco-friendly. Yeah, it's just a really gorgeous brand, and their products, they work and they're amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about bleached hair or caring for bleached hair, then please pop them below. Or if you have any other questions about the Faith in Nature range, yeah, and thanks so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. See you later, guys. Peace out.